interactive television isn't just about keeping in touch with TV email. It also brings you a brand new way of interacting with your television. NTL brings a large number of high street retailers, travel companies and banks and insurance companies to you through your TV. And the number is growing all the time. With NTL's interactive services, you can read an up-to-the-minute review of your favourite band's latest album release. You can also buy theatre or concert tickets through your TV, send a loved one flowers or book a holiday, all from the comfort of your own home. You can also get the latest weather reports, as well as catch up on all the local and national news. For the kids, there's interactive games. They can also revise for their GCSEs and keep up to date with the National Curriculum Key Stage 3, with NTL's interactive education sites. To access any of these great sites, simply press Interactive on your TV remote control and then highlight TV Internet. Remember, use the arrow keys on your remote control to move the yellow on-screen box over the option that you want. Then press the Select button to confirm. Alternatively, you can also press the relevant number button.